Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study 5 new functions which are present in Excel 365. Remember, I'm stressing the point Excel 365. These functions will run only if you have Excel 365. So without any further ado, let me show you these 5 functions. The name of the first function is text split. So if I have a column in which I have the first name, middle name and last name, and I want to split them into 3 parts like this, then in the normal Excel you have functions like left, mid and right, through which you can extract the first name, middle name and last name. In that case you have to use 3 functions. However, in Excel 365, you can achieve the same with the help of only one function, which is called as text split. So let us see how to use the text split. So we come into the column next to the cell and then we type equal to text split. Then we give open parenthesis. Now it is asking me to select the text. So this is the column in which my text is there, comma, and then it is asking me the delimiter. So in our case, the delimiter is the space. So I give a space, I give close quotation, and all other parameters are optional. So I close parenthesis and I hit enter, and you will see instantly you get the name split into 3 parts. And then I drag the formula down and you will get the result for all the cells in your sheet. So this was the text split function. Now let us see function number 2, which is called as text before. So here you can see that I have one cell in which the contents are I love my India. These are the contents of this cell. Now what I want to do is I want to extract some text from this. So in that case, you have a function called as equal to text before. So I type equal to text before and then I give open parenthesis. Now it is asking me the text to select. So I select this text, comma, then it is asking me the delimiter. So in our case, the delimiter is a single space. So I give that space in quotation marks. Then I give a comma and then it is asking me the instant. So instance means, do you want the text before the first instance of space or before the second instance of space or before the third instance of space? So if I type 3, this means I want all the text before the third instance of space. So I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So you will see before the third instance of space, this is the first space, this is second space and this is third space, I have I love my. In the same case, if I modify the formula and instead of the third instance, I make it to the second instance, so you will see only I and love. And in the last example, if I change this to the first instance and close parenthesis, so only I will come. So this was the text before function. Now let us see another function which is called as the text after. So let me zoom the screen. So here you can see that I have the same text, I love my India, and instead of equal to text before, I type equal to text after. Then I give open parenthesis. Now it is asking me to select the text. I select the text, then I give comma. It is asking me to select the delimiter. I select the delimiter, comma, and then it is asking me the instance. So if I say that I want all the text after the first instance of space, so it will show me Love My India. If I say after the second instance of space, it will show My India. And if I say after the third instance of space, it will show me only India. So this was the text after function. Now let us see the fourth function, the vstack function. So here you can see that I have data which is present in series of columns like name, region and sales. And here also you have name, region and sales. Now if I want to stack all of them one below each other, so Excel has a very nice function called as vertical stack. So I will say equal to vertical stack, open parenthesis. Now it is asking me the first array. So I highlight the first array, then I give comma, and then I give the second array. I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So you can see first you have A, then you have B row, then you have C row, and then you have the D row. So it has stacked all the data vertically. Just like you have the vertical stack, we'll now come to the last function, horizontal stack. So here you can see I have the data which is present vertically, and suppose I want this data to come horizontally. So in that case, I will say equal to h stack, horizontal stack. Then it is asking me the first array, then I give comma, and then I give the second array, and I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So you can see you have the data which is now present in a horizontal fashion. Hence it is called as horizontal stack. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.